Welcome to this tutorial on how to join the Coinbase affiliate program. Coinbase is a leading cryptocurrency exchange that allows users to buy, sell, and trade various digital currencies. By joining the Coinbase affiliate program, you can earn commissions by promoting their services to your audience. To get started, go to the Coinbase website and navigate to their affiliate program page. Click on the Join Now button and fill out the registration form with your basic information, including your name, email address, and password. You will also need to provide some additional information, such as your website or social media channel URL, and a brief description of your audience. Once you have submitted your application, Coinbase will review it to ensure that your content aligns with their terms and conditions. This may take a few days, so be patient and wait for their response. If your application is approved, you will receive an email with a unique affiliate link and access to the Coinbase affiliate dashboard. The affiliate dashboard provides you with a range of tools and resources to help you promote Coinbase, including banners, logos, and tracking links. You can use these resources to create affiliate links and share them with your audience through your website, social media, or email marketing campaigns. To track your earnings and referrals, log in to the affiliate dashboard and navigate to the Reports section. Here, you can view your commission balance, track your referrals, and see which promotional materials are performing best. To maximize your earnings, focus on creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience and promotes the benefits of using Coinbase. You can also use social media platforms to share your affiliate link and reach a wider audience. Some best practices to keep in mind include disclosing your affiliation with Coinbase to your audience, using clear and concise language in your promotional materials, and avoiding spamming or misleading marketing tactics. By following these guidelines and promoting Coinbase to your audience, you can earn significant commissions and build a successful affiliate marketing business. In conclusion, joining the Coinbase affiliate program is a straightforward process that requires basic information and a website or social media channel. By promoting Coinbase and following their terms and conditions, you can earn commissions and build a successful affiliate marketing business.